so nice and quiet. No rattling around.
Yeah, I love these doors. I'm heading out to 2 services today. They don't seem like they're a very big deal, but you never know when you get there. I'm going over to one of them. Sounds like they need a keypad. I'll probably talk them in the door service. And the other one is, I think, a bottom retainer, which I got to see what's going on there. What kind of retainer they need. I got keypads on my truck, but I don't have a retainer, so on that one there, I'll probably just get like a 50% deposit. But you could do this as well. People call you, you go out there, you give them a price, they say yeah, you just do it right there on the spot. Hello?
Hello. I got a kitty.
Okay, will the door open? You want to just push the button?
Just open the garage
Okay,
door, yeah.
thanks. Yeah, you look like you have the oval. Lucky I didn't come out with it, because the new ones are the more common one is the T. And this looks like the oval, but it looks like they doubled it up or something. I can see the track part looks oval.
I used to have a wood door that was no.
What the hell this thing is? Huh. I would say we would take this one off here. See how it's riveted? We'd have to drill these off and take this off completely, and it's under the bottom fixture. And then we would, actually the new one notches around this, so we don't have to go over it. But we would lag it back in, and it goes under the door, and it has the channel in the door, and then it already has the rubber in it. Like when you can't make a match up with certain doors, that like old doors and stuff. That's the one you would use.
Oh, by the way, if my power ever goes out, how do I get my garage door open? You know, my power was out for over a day.
Yeah, this thing. Okay, so I'm going on my next one. See you when I get there. How are you, garage door company?
Great. Hi.
Hi.
John?
Yeah. Do I go through here or do I go through? I think I remember being here.
Well, we don't have a keypad on there.
Oh,
so you
okay.
have to go through here. Yeah.
All right.
So that was one of the things we wanted to kind of.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we were able to break into the window and get a long stick of bamboo and press the button.
Yeah. Well, you lost the key, you mean, to this? The little key.
Well, I didn't even know there was a key.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
you had to get the window replaced?
no, it was open. We would never be able to do that again because it's now fastened shut.
Did we hang the door?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So you just need a keypad for this.
Yeah.
Well, some people don't even want them. Like we always offer them, but a lot of people say, no, it's just more confusing.
No, I mean, I think we need it because.
Yeah. All right, do you want it over here?
Yeah, I think so.
Have you done any service on the door?
It's been a while since I've sprayed it.
Yeah. A lot of times when I'm out here, I just say if you haven't done any, but it would be cheaper to do it since I'm out here than if you need it in a year from now.
You know, what does that entail?
I could write it up and figure it out with the keypad and see what I can give you off. I can't just throw out numbers. I have to look at the chart and see what it is. You want me to do that?
Yep.
That way you get something. And
Well, I'm
yeah.
gonna have to deal with maintenance later.
Yeah, that's what normally happens. Okay, see, I get my price sheet here. It would either be $570 with the service or $360 without the service.
Well, I guess we'll get the service. The service entails what?
Like lubing everything, tightening everything, adjusting everything, but getting it back to kind of how it was when it was put in.
Yeah, all right.
So,
You need us to move anything?
not really, no. I can get up there. There's enough room.
All right.
When I do lube it, like on this one here, when I go up those, it might drip on your car. I don't know if you want to park this one out. I'll go ahead and start getting everything ready. Track here is touching the ground. Now look over here. Track is off the ground. After you put the door in, we probably put this one in, and then we went to the other side, and that one there, we had to go all the way down with it. Basically installing this, which was $32. I'm getting $576. No other parts. So I'm gonna go on the ladder, program this, and I'll show you the check after. My tools are here. About 5-6 steps. How do you like that for cleaning up? You don't have to go in the house, pull it sideways on a lot of them like this. You take your stuff right out, go right in. Look at that view over there. Water views. So I'm basically done. Let's close that down. And there it goes. Opened up. So I installed this. And everything else is good. Ready to go. I'm all done. I set your clock on here.
Yeah, good.
Right now, I tested something on it, so it says obstructed because I walked in the way of the sensors. Because it did something weird earlier, so I just want to make sure on it. But the clock will be set now. Okay, yeah. Some people forget and they leave the door open all night. I put that angle iron up there so that doesn't move because that would have been an issue. It would have eventually cut through the lag. I should have mounted it straight with a short piece up and then one little piece over. It's not professional, whoever put this opener in. So it won't move though, so it won't cut through it.
Good.
And I lubed everything. I tightened your belt. I tightened up all your nuts. I tightened the track.
Did you lube the belt?
You don't lube the belt. You never lube that. No, it'll actually screw it up.
Oh, I thought you kind of like put garage door silicone spray.
No, not on that.
Oh, well.
Yeah, that'll actually ruin it.
All right.
Yeah.
Have you got an invoice for me then?
Yeah, I have it right here. Right. And what else? I nailed all your door stops. So I added a bunch of nails in here.
So nice and quiet, no rattling around.
Yeah, I love these doors. I know a guy, his wife backed into the door and then he backed into it and it was still, I repaired it. Most doors you back into, they're gone.
Somebody did something here.
Yeah.
All right, great.
All right. And then here is the check. Door service $349, $221 for the keypad, $570. Got it. And we are ready to go. That job there, most people go out and just change a keypad. You got to sell yourself when you're there. People have to sell themselves when they get out there. They can't just go there and say, okay, here a keypad and then try to get money. That sounds like it's more of a ripoff than if you do work there. So just know that when you're going out there that you upsell everything. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.